So solution as a service is just this fancy term for, instead of buying hardware and making a huge upfront investment and then having all of the risk on you as the customer, it's about subscribing to a service that provides the full solution that you need, and all of the risk around hardware and the software upgrades falls onto the provider. Us as a provider, we're responsible for making sure that everything works, that the hardware is up to date, that the software is up to date, and ensuring that you don't get surprises as a customer. It's just one sort of consistent, expected price over time. So the transition to the cloud, the transition to software as a service, this is just the next logical phase. Having your hardware and software all together as a package and subscribing to that as a service just makes so much sense for everyone involved. And when you have technology that's so modern, like smart parking, there's AI, edge computing, IoT, these things are not things that stay the same for 30 years. So you don't want to buy an asset and have that sitting on your books when it could be outmoded soon. You want us to be constantly upgrading it and keeping it the best that it can be. We want that to be really simple. So we end up pricing everything really on a per space, per month basis. And it's simple, it's straightforward, there's no surprises. And the goal is just to deliver a really great, valuable service and to have a payment model that you can plan on in the future.